Yung pagkatalo ng Hinebra kagabi sa NLEX, parang iba yung pakiramdam ng fans. Yung mga Hinebra fans kagabi nag-live ako. So may mga pumasok na fans. Yung iba, sabi nila, depensa, yung effort, yung rebounding. Pero yung nararamdaman ko, yung nakikita ko, parang may trend na hindi maganda. Yung fans mismo ang nakakaramdam nito, yung fans ng Hinebra. And I think it's not a good sign.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Alam mo, bilang isang Hinebra fan for a long time, hindi ko siya ganun na-realize. Because I felt the game yesterday against NLEX was good. And I think all of us could agree, or at least most of us could agree, na maganda naman talaga yung pinakita. We started really well. And we were there up till the very end. Talagang nandoon tayo. But one thing is for sure. We could have won that game. But what happened? Well, if we're gonna talk about technicality, yung sa last minute, then, maybe we were outplayed or nabasa yung play natin, di tayo nakashoot, di tayo naka-rebound. And if you're looking at the statistics, sasabihin mo na, well, kasi out-rebounded tayo eh. Which is true. I'm looking at the stats right now. Pakita ko sa inyo. Let's open up the stats. Ito yung stat, 118-113. It's not really a bad game for Barangay Ginebra, but if you look at this rebounding, 37 out of 28, 13 out of 4. And most of you guys would say, kasi maliit yung import natin eh, kasi hindi tayo nakaka-rebound eh. But I don't think that's the problem. I think Justin Brownlee is just doing the same thing as he was doing. So what was the issue here? I'm not saying this is a big deal. Hindi pa po ito big deal. Unang pagkatalo pa lang naman eh. 2 laro pa lang Ginebra. And losing is part of the game. But there's something bigger na na-notice ko sa mga fans kagabi. Although it's a small sample of fans. So I'm gonna ask you. Now may mga nagsisi rin na kasi ang late kasi ni ni Abarrientos. Siya yung bumantay kay Robert Bolick, kaya tiniraan. Yeah, that may be the case, but that's not entirely the case sa aking pananaw. And let me tell you why. Before the game of Ginebra and NLEX, naglaro ang Rain or Shine against Meralco Bolts. Did you watch that? And who won? Rain or Shine. Sabi niya, ang galing ng Rain or Shine. Ang galing ng import ng Rain or Shine. Jalen Johnson, laki. Well, if you watch the game, that's not gonna be your argument. Una-una, yan po yung suspended si Jalen Johnson dahil dun sa sapakan kay Kubundin. So, wala silang import. Yung import ng Meralco Boots, listed 7-footer. So, how come they won? Ang liliit pa nila. Siguro, sir, sinuwerte lang kasi magaling yung shooting, maganda yung performance. But, let me surprise you a little bit here. So, I'm gonna open the RS Meralco stats. And surprisingly, Meralco, even with the bigger people, bigger players, they were out-rebounded, 57-46, even offensively. So, how did that happen? Paano nagawa ng mas maliit? Ang liliit ng Rain or Shine. Paano nila nagawa yan? And there's something na dawned on me. Wow, big word. There's something that kagabi, although naririnig-rinig ko na ito, and sa mga Ginebra fan, listen to this. Do you feel that Ginebra is still the NSD Ginebra or nag-iba na ang motto ng Ginebra? It feels like yan ang naririnig ko. Even last few years or conference, because Ginebra, from being the underdog or the never say die spirit, sabi ko nga kahapon parang na-reverse NSD tayo ng NLEX. Sila ang naghabol hanggang sa nanalo. And yung mga fans na mismo nagsasabi, may mga fans, sir, parang papogi yung laro natin. Hindi sa akin nanggaling to but I like to speak the truth and I am always open. Alam niyo naman ako, kahit makahinebra ako, I'm open to the opinion of others. And somehow, I'm feeling, baka nga. I see the effort on Hinebra. Nakikita ko naman. So, is it really the effort ang kulang? Because, nasanay tuloy tayo, ganito guys, ang nangyayari sa Hinebra, and this is the truth. Listen, naririnig ko at nakikita ko sa social media, karamihan ngayon sa social media na mga fans, spoiled. Karamihan spoiled. It seems like we don't believe our roster that the solution right away, nagiging, sabi nila, papogi yung mga fans. Pero yung mga players, maglaro, pero yung mga fans, spoiled. As if the solution is always harvest or kumuha na ng malaking, parang, are you saying na hindi gaya ng existing players natin? Bakit nagagawa ng rain or shine? How did they out-rebound Meralco? Now, again, this is just a sample. I'm not saying it is exactly what it is. But this could be, kumbaga, parang reminder or eye-opener sa atin na, maybe our players need more effort. Because, according to the fans, parang, they may not say it directly, pero parang, papogi, ibig sabihin, do they really want to die to win? Yun eh. Yun yung common na naramdaman ko kagabi. Although again, like what I said, baka Sir Pao naman, baka naman masyado ka lang nagpapahype or masyado ka lang nag-aalala, second game pa rin naman. And I'm not even talking about just this conference. Have you realized it? Nakikita mo na yung ibig sabihin ng ibang fans. Hindi na sa akin nanggagaling yan And I'm still going to be a Ginebra fan. No? I'm a Terra Firma fan din Magkabilang dulo So all I'm saying is that hindi laging palit ng personnel. Nakikita ko lagi yung mga spoiled brat talaga yung ibang Ginebra fan. Yun ang yung kagad ang gusto nila. Why can't Isaac go and the other big guys or the coaching make those adjustments? Because, hindi naman laging kailangan natin mas matangkad, kailangan natin. So not that. So I'm just giving you something to think about. All right? But let me know what you think, mga Ginebra. So kaparangay pa rin niyo ako. But na-notice niyo rin ba 'yon? Actually hindi ko siya gagawa ng reaction ngayong araw na to kung hindi kagabi na pagkagising ko parang yung mga Ginebra fan hindi na NSD. Kumbaga na sila, masyado na ring spoiled. Do you agree?